Today, I'll tell you about some basic and useful functions in MS Word, along with their shortcut keys. These shortcuts will help you complete tasks more easily and save time. To cut text, select the word, right-click on it, and select Cut. Or, press Ctrl+X to cut any selection. To copy text, select the word, right-click on it, and select Copy. Or, press Ctrl+C to copy the selection. To paste the cut or copied text, right-click and select Paste. Or, press Ctrl+V to paste the text you copied. Press Ctrl+V to make the text bold. To make text bold, italic, or underlined, select the text and click the corresponding options under the font section. Press Ctrl+I to make the text italic. Press Ctrl+U to add an underline to the text. You can select any font that you like. Press Ctrl+Shift+greater than sign to increase the font size. And, press Ctrl+Shift+less than sign to decrease font size. Press Ctrl+E to center the text, Ctrl+R to align the text to the right, and Ctrl+L to align the text to the left. Select any font color under the font tab that you like. Or, open font options to make changes to the fonts, including color, size, and more. To open font option, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F or Ctrl plus D. To highlight any word or specific part of a paragraph, select the words and click Highlight Text option under the Font tab. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.